So I just want to start out by giving a huge thank you to RedRestore.com for sponsoring this video and sending me their laser cap to use and try out. So you can actually use my affiliate code GIRLGEEK to save some money off your product at their website. You can click the link below. My biggest concern about my hair is that, okay, so I've hit the age of 50 and I don't know if you can see it, but it's thinning. It's been thinning out since about, it's about 7 or 8 years, and I didn't really know if there's anything I can do about it. It is also starting to turn gray. Now, I don't know if this can fix that, but it's also starting to go a little bit gray, and it's just aging. So I know that the follicles need to be woken up a little bit bigger. So I would like the density to be a little thicker, and I would like my hair to be a little bit healthier. I had not heard of laser therapy for the hair before. I've used it on my skin, but that's kind of harsh, so I wasn't sure. Because sometimes when you do, well, I've done like the lighter laser therapy where it's supposed to bring the collagen back to the surface. But the bigger, I haven't done any of the harsher, the heavy duty things. So anyway, I'm just gonna open this box. I haven't seen it before. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. There's a quick start manual that comes with it. And here is Le Cap. It's a baseball cap. Woohoo! Awesome. So this is FDA cleared device. It's safe for home use, which is awesome. And it combats thinning hair and promotes new hair growth. So I am very, very excited about it. I'm just gonna take some of these other things out here and see what else we have so I can see how this guy works. Oh, okay, this is cool. Check this out. And it looks like it charges through USB. So this is really cool. That's the cap. So then if I want to wear it, I can just throw this guy on and wear it like that, I believe. Oh, maybe it goes this way. No, I think it goes this way. Okay, so this thing goes through here. Very cool, very cool. So it has 272 laser count for full scalp coverage. It uses clinically proven laser therapy technology. It stimulates the blood flow, like I was saying, and awakens the dormant hair follicles. So I'm really excited about trying this out. You know, laser therapy is used by hair clinics and dermatologists, and it's now available for safe at-home treatments. Oh, look at this. Isn't this cool? It fits just like that. So then once I plug it in and charge it, it'll work just like that. Cool. And I can be getting my treatment and be hanging out in the house. How easy is that? I love it. I love it. You know, cool RedRestore product also features, they use only premium lasers and 0 LEDs. So a lot of these lights that you'll get, they're all kind of LEDs. This is all premium lasers. It's portable and it's wireless, so it's really easy to fit into your lifestyle and get your treatments done when you want. There's a money back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free, so that's really cool. It has automatic treatment time, so it's super easy. It can be used with popular therapies, hair loss therapies like Rogaine and biotin and things like that. And it's, again, safe to use at home, no side effects, baseball cap design, discreet, and not awkward at all. It's actually quite comfortable. I can't wait to plug this in and use this. You know, RedRestore is really easy to use. It'll fit into your weekly routine super easy, and I'm so excited to start this. I can't wait. You know, results with hair growth products, they take time. So I'll be documenting my progress in upcoming videos. So make sure you stay tuned and watch. Again, you can use the code GIRLGEEK for a discount off of the purchase product at RedRestore.com. That's RedRestore.com. And I'll throw it in right there. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for my updated videos. I can't wait to show you my progress.